So today we'll start with a few questions. Okay, today we'll start with a few questions. So first question is, write this question here. Write this question. Hello Shravya, how are you?
Good evening, sir. I'm good, sir.
Good evening. Great. Okay, all of you must be having exams on June, I guess, right? June में होंगे ना आपके exams?
I guess I'll be having this month.
नहीं,
Sir,
term
I'm
one.
having my exams on May 5th, May 19th.
Exam मतलब test है या exam है?
Exam, first exam, like unit test.
Unit test ना, so it is not term one, right?
It's not term one.
Mid term भी नहीं है ना, just like it is
No,
half
sir,
yearly
no,
भी
sir.
नहीं है ना, unit test. ठीक है, कितने chapters आ रहे हैं श्राव्या?
2 chapters.
Haloalkene and solution?
No, sir. Haloalkenes and alcohols, phenols.
अरे ओहो, तो आप लोग दूसरी डायरेक्शन में हैं बिल्कुल. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, तो ये तो आपको खुद से ही करना पड़ेगा श्राव्या, आई थिंक. हाँ,
Yes,
बोथ द
sir.
चैप्टर्स. व्हाट अबाउट यू मेमुना? हाँ बोलिए मेमुना.
Sir, this time CBSE did not keep term 1 and term 2, right?
हाँ नहीं नहीं नहीं, टर्म टू टर्म वन टर्म टू तो नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी स्कूल वाले लेते हैं ना.
Not for me though.
हाँ, स्कूल में एग्जाम ही नहीं होता आपके?
No, exams होते हैं, पर like they have it now since term 1, term 2 is not there. I don't know what is the procedure, but I think they will follow the जो 10th में we used to have like that वाला procedure.
10th में आपने दिया था एग्जाम?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yes.
10th में आपका बोर्ड हुआ था? हमको नहीं लगता आपका बोर्ड हुआ था 10th में जब आप थे.
बोर्ड तो नहीं हुआ, पर नॉर्मल स्कूल
हाँ ना.
एग्जाम्स तो उसके वजह से ही तो बोर्ड मार्क्स आया ना.
हाँ हाँ, राइट. सो you'd have हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम एक हुआ होगा.
या हाफ ईयरली
है ना?
80 मार्क्स वैसा. या
हाँ हाँ करेक्ट, हाफ ईयरली होगा आपका वैसे ही जैसे यहाँ पे, मतलब 10th 12th में भी हाफ ईयरली होगा, तो हम हाफ ईयरली की बात कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक हाफ ईयरली भी समवेयर इन जून या फिर सितंबर में,
June,
छुट्टी
July
के
is
बाद.
the summer vacation. So we will have holidays June, July, August. Not June, sorry. July, August holidays. Then after summer vacation we will have exam.
सितंबर में आई थिंक देन, है ना?
हाँ.
हाँ ठीक है भाई. फिर उसके बाद यू विल हैव वन प्री बोर्ड जनवरी फरवरी में कभी तो.
हाँ वैसे.
राइट. हाँ ओके. सो व्हेन आई से एग्जाम आई मीन हाफ ईयरली. ठीक है, जिसमें यू गेट द होल टाइम टेबल, फिर सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट होता है. आई डोंट नो, सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट
Yes.
शायद यूनिट टेस्ट में भी होता होगा, लेकिन यूनिट टेस्ट क्लास में होता है या फिर सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट लगती है?
Class. Only
क्लास नहीं
20
हो जाता.
marks.
20 मार्क्स होंगे ना, तो उसकी बात नहीं कर रहे. जब हम एग्जाम बोलेंगे इट मींस लाइक जहाँ पे सीटिंग
Sir, for
अरेंजमेंट
a
लगे.
seating arrangement.
अच्छा, आपका स्कूल तो अलग ही डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है बिल्कुल ही, है ना? यूनिट टेस्ट में भी सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट कितने मार्क्स का होता है यूनिट टेस्ट का भैया?
30.
30 मार्क्स का. ओहो, काफी एफर्ट लगाते हैं फिर तो क्लासेस नहीं होते यूनिट टेस्ट के टाइम में?
Sir, classes होते हैं.
क्लासेस होते हैं ना. हाँ ठीक है, तो हम ऐसी बात करें जिसमें क्लासेस नहीं होते, तो दैट विल बी योर, जिसमें टाइम टेबल भी आता है, सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट भी होता है, क्लासेस नहीं होते हैं, है ना? जिसमें बाहर निकल के लोग जहाँ पे वो कार्डबोर्ड लेके आते हैं. कार्डबोर्ड को क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग? व्हाट डू यू से दैट? एग्जाम पैड बोलते होंगे आप लोग, है ना?
But here we don't get all this cardboard and all.
अरे
Nothing.
आप लोग लेके तो जाते होंगे स्कूल, नहीं एग्जाम देने के लिए?
You mean the writing pad?
We are not allowed.
राइटिंग पैड इज नॉट अलाउड.
No,
It is
Yeah, we
allowed.
are not
sir.
allowed doing that.
ओ भाई साहब, तो फिर कैसे लिखते हो आप लोग?
students are very cheeky. They write under the board. So
हाँ नहीं, वैसे तो सब लोग होते हैं, लेकिन फिर उसके बाद अगर ये तो फिर क्या बोले हम, इन्विजिलेटर जो है वो अटेंटिव नहीं है, कैसे आपके सामने कोई बच्चा चीटिंग कर लेगा, है ना? तो हाउ डू यू राइट इन शीट्स? शीट होता है, फिर आप शीट को सीधा
on
डेस्क
the
में रखते
table.
हो?
Yeah.
ओहो, हैंडराइटिंग ही
सीधा
नहीं बनता
टेबल
होगा फिर तो. हैंडराइटिंग बनता है? नहीं बनता होगा.
That they have to suffer. No boards.
We try.
दैट इज स्ट्रेंज. तो मिडिल ईस्ट में nowhere you can take those writing pads.
In my school, if you want, you can get.
अच्छा, ओके, राइटिंग पैड तो होना चाहिए, ये तो बहुत ही अजीब से लिखा देगा। खैर, राइट दिस क्वेश्चन, रेज योर हैंड व्हेन यू आर डन। सैफ, आप 11th में हमारे साथ नहीं थे ना?
No, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो बस आप एक न्यू स्टूडेंट है यहाँ पे। आई थिंक एवरीवन एल्स ऑल वेयर प्रेजेंट विद मी। हाँ हाँ, सब थे, 11th में सब थे। Raise your hand when you're done writing the question, please. Okay. I hope most of you are done. Yeah. Okay. So let us see what they have given us. They have given us this information about the concentration, and the concentration is given in terms of mass percentage, 10% W by W. So first of all, what we will do, we will be translating this 10% W by W. So what we will write, solution of glucose in water hai. So we will write 10 gram of glucose mixed with 90 grams of H2O. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what will be the molality and the mole fraction of each component in the solution? Okay. So we will first of all calculate the molality here. So number one thing that we will calculate is molality. Okay. So for molality, what do we need? M, it is equal to the number of moles of glucose, that is the solute, divided by the mass of solvent in terms of kg. Now number of moles of solute we don't know, so that is why we will write it is equal to the given mass of solute divided by the molar mass of solute into the given mass of solvent in terms of kg. So what is the given mass of solute? It is 10 grams, है ना? 10 grams. Molar mass of glucose, किसी को याद है molar mass of glucose?
180.
180. Very good. Very good. This is 180 grams per mole into mass of solvent. Mass of solvent is 90 grams. So in terms of kg, it will be 90 upon 1000, है ना? So 90 upon 1000 को लिखने की वजह ये 1000 ऊपर चला जाएगा. It will be into 1000 here. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you'll have this gram and gram that will be cancelled out, है ना? 180 grams per mole. So per mole है ये. So this mole inverse will go above, and you will get solve this, and you will get the answer in terms of mole per kg. This mole inverse will go above. It will be mole. Kg will be kg inverse. Okay. So calculate this and tell me what is the answer. Yes, Khalid correct, Maimuna correct. Waiting for one more answer. सैफ नहीं, कैलकुलेट वंस अगेन सैफ, कुछ मिस्टेक किया आपने? Salman correct. So if you calculate it, this will be equal to 0.61 mole per kg. Okay. Second is mole fraction. So for mole fraction, what we need to do? We need to calculate the, yes, Shravya correct. Okay. So for mole fraction, we need to calculate the number of moles of glucose, number of moles of glucose. This will be equal to what? This will be equal to 10 grams divided by 180 grams per mole. And number of moles of water. This will be equal to 90 upon 90 grams upon 180. Sorry, not 180, 18 grams per mole. Chaliye. Calculate this and tell me what will be the answer. $90 upon 18, it will be equal to 5, right? Five moles. 10 upon 180. इसको कैलकुलेट कीजिए, बताइए कितना आएगा. I think this will be 0. या तो 0055 होगा, कुछ 055 होगा. 0.055 moles. Correct. And after that, mole fraction of glucose will be equal to 0.055 moles divided by 0.055 plus 5 moles. Okay. So mole and mole will get cancelled and you will get 0.55. Sorry, 0.055 divided by 5.055. Calculate this much. What is this value? This will be 55 upon 5055. ठीक है, चलिए कैलकुलेट कीजिए, बताइए कितना आ रहा है approximately. Also remember this point, 2 non-zero digits after decimal point. Okay, I hope ये लाइन अब्दुल रहमान, खालिद, मैमूना, सलमान, श्राव्या है ना, you know this thing right? 2 non-zero digits after decimal point, उतना एटलीस्ट आपको कैलकुलेट करना, ठीक है?
Yes.
चलिए बताइए. अब 1 मान लीजिए आपके पास ना 0.9000 आने लगा, तो ऐसा नहीं कि दूसरा डिजिट आपको खोजना ही खोजना है. 90 आ गया तो छोड़ दीजिए फिर, ठीक है? 90 आ गया तो काफी है. हाँ ठीक है श्राव्या, करेक्ट. सो दिस इज 0.01. ठीक है. अब जैसे श्राव्या का आंसर आया है 0.0108 ऐसे, ठीक है? तो इतना नहीं की जरूरत है, 0.10 के बाद आप छोड़ सकते हो यहाँ पे, ठीक है? 0.10, हाँ 0.01. सो अब ये कौन बताएगा जल्दी? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ H2, इट विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच? Who will tell me? Raise your hand without any calculation. Without any calculation, who will tell me? Yes, Shravya, tell me. Number of moles of H2O?
0.98.
0.99 ना?
99.
99 होगा
yes,
ना?
sir.
0.01.
I considered 8 as well.
हाँ अच्छा, हाँ ठीक है, तब जाके फिर आपका कुछ और आंसर आता है, लेकिन इट विल बी 0.99. सही है, ठीक है, योर अप्रोच वाज करेक्ट। किसको ये समझ में नहीं आया, रेज योर हैंड। 0.99 किसको समझ में नहीं आया, रेज योर हैंड, विल एक्सप्लेन इट। सबको आ गया, चलो बहुत ही बढ़िया, है ना। सो वी हैव गॉट द मोल फ्रैक्शन of both the things. We have got the mole fraction of both the things. Okay, now what we are asking, they are asking me the molarity of the solution. They are asking me the molarity. So the last term is molarity, molarity, capital M. So molarity of the solution, it is going to be equal to number of moles of solute divided by the volume of solution in liters. Now we don't have volume, right? Volume to diya nahi in logon ne. What they have said, we have got 90 grams of H2. That means the mass of solution is how much? We have got the mass, right? We have got the mass of solution is 100 gram. Mass of solution is equal to 100 gram, and volume to diya nahi hai, density of solution is given. Density of solution, it is equal to how much? 1.2 grams per ml, right? 1.2 grams per ml. This is 100 grams. This is 1.2 grams per ml. Okay. Now volume, so density, it is equal to mass by volume, right? Density is equal to mass by volume. So this will be equal to how much? Volume will be equal to mass by density. Volume will be equal to mass by density. तो mass कितना है? 100 grams. Density कितना है? 1.2 grams per ml. So grams and grams will get cancelled, and this you will get as 100 upon 1.2 ml. अब इसी को चेंज करते हैं किसमें? इसी को चेंज करते हैं इसी को चेंज करते हैं किसमें? Into liters, right? So we will divide this term by 1000. So this will be equal to 100 upon 1000 into 1.2. तो ये 2 0 गया, ये 2 0 गया, and this will be equal to 1 upon 10 into 1.2, 12 हो जाएगा, इतना liters. Okay, so number of moles 10 grams. Number of moles के लिए वही करना है, WB upon molar mass into volume in liter. So given mass is 10 grams divided by 180 into volume कितना है आपका? 1 upon 12. So यहाँ पे 1 आ जाएगा, ऊपर आ जाएगा 12. ठीक है, this will be in mole per liter. चलिए कैलकुलेट कीजिए इसको, बताइए कितना आ रहा है. This will be 120 upon 180. 12 upon 18. ठीक है, 6/3. नहीं 6/3 नहीं होगा, नहीं बैड, 2/3 होगा ना. कितना जाएगा? 0.66 मोल पर लीटर. Yes or no?
Yes.
Easy calculation, right? Any problem till here? Any problem till here, guys?
No, sir.
No problem, right? Okay, fine. So I will give you a similar question. जिन लोगों ने नहीं लिखा है, please write it down.
So could you scroll a bit up?
Mole fraction.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
सैफ आ रहा है आपको? Yes or no?
So why we take 1000 denominator?
अच्छा, देखिए, what do we need? Volume in terms of liter ना.
Yes.
फिर यहाँ पे क्या है हमारे पास? ml है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So to convert ml to liter, we divide by 1000. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Raise your hand when you're done. Just waiting for Khalid.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, fine. All right, next question. Write this down. Now, this seemingly very small question is very important, and when I will be doing this question now, then please listen. Don't write anything. Okay. While I write this question, raise your hand when you're done. Not there. भाई सवाल नहीं लिखा क्या आप लोगों ने? हाथ ही रेज नहीं हो रहा किसी का? सवाल लिखा कि नहीं आप लोगों ने? हाँ
Yes.
हाँ, हाथ ही
Yes,
रेज
sir.
करना भूल जाते. Okay. Now, please keep your pen aside and listen. We have a container, and इस container में मेरे पास we have 1 gram, and this 1 gram is a mixture of two things. This 1 gram is a mixture of Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. Okay, now, and they are saying that the number of moles of Na2CO3 will be number of moles of Na2CO3 and इसका होगा number of moles of NaHCO3, and they are saying that 1 gram mixture of Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 they are equimolar. Okay, so 1 gram mixture containing equimolar amounts of both. So number of moles of Na2CO3 will be equal to number of moles of NaHCO3. Is this clear? यहाँ तक? Please say me yes or no. अच्छा, does that mean mass of Na2CO3 is equal to mass of NaHCO3? Is this also true? Yes or no? Tell me. क्या इसके बारे में मास के बारे में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है सवाल? क्वेश्चनर, is the questioner telling me anything about the mass directly or indirectly? बताइए. Is this statement also true? Yes or no? Salman बताइए. Okay, Abdul Rahman, you tell me yes or no. Is this statement true? Mass of Na2CO3 will be equal to mass of NaHCO3 if they are equimolar?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Khalid. Okay. Khalid, what do you think? Yes, Khalid.
Mass not given.
Okay. What do you think, Saif? Is this also equal? Is this correct, this statement?
I guess so, sir.
Okay. What about Salman? Salman is also thinking the same. Shravya, what do you think? Yes, Shravya. Yes, okay. Now calculate mass of 1 mole of H2O. What will be the mass of 1 mole of H2O? अरे क्या हुआ, इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है 1 mole of H2O में? Yes, Abdul Rahman, 1 mole of H2O means molar mass ना? 1 mole of H2O means molar mass, right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो कितना हो जाएगा? 18, right? 18 grams. And mass of 1 mole of CH4? 16 grams, yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Anna,
Yes, sir.
बोलिए,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Okay. So we have taken equimolar of H2O and CH4. Yes or no? I have taken same moles, right? I have taken same moles. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But is the mass equal? Is the mass
No.
equal? No, na? So this statement is utterly wrong. ठीक है, इसका एकदम नहीं मतलब है. If I am saying equimolar, it means that their moles is same. Number of moles of both these things are same, but it does not mean that their masses will also be the same. Their number of moles will be same only. ठीक है, their number of moles will be same only. Okay. Now we have to calculate the mass. Then we will calculate the number of moles. Then we will calculate the amount of HCl that is required. The HCl required. Those who have studied with me in the 11th standard, they will remember that we now need the need statement, है ना? कि how many HCl is required to react with Na2CO3 and how many moles of HCl is required to react with NaHCO3. So need statement will come later, but first of all we have to calculate the number of moles. Number of moles के लिए चाहिए हम लोग को the mass. So I will take the mass of Na2CO3 as x grams. Let this as be x grams. NaHCO3 क्या हो जाएगा? 1 minus x grams, yes or no? Because it is total mass is 1 gram. This is 1 gram, right? And 1 gram में आपके पास x grams, let us say we have Na2CO3 and the number of and NaHCO3 will be 1 minus x gram. Is this clear till here? Yes or no? Please tell me. यहाँ तक clear है? हाँ या ना? Yes or no, guys? X and 1 minus x grams.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, चलिए अब क्या कैलकुलेट कीजिए आप लोग? मोलर मास ऑफ Na2CO3 मोलर मास ऑफ NaHCO3. ठीक है, कैलकुलेट दीज टू. ये आपका 84 आएगा grams per mole and Na2CO3 will be I think 106 grams per mole. ठीक है, just please calculate and tell me, confirm these values now. 106 grams per mole and 84 grams per mole. Done guys, yes or no, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, 10684 है ना? Now what we can do? We can write the number of moles of Na2CO3 is equal to moles of NaHCO3. According to question, this is given equimolar. So number of moles of Na2CO3 will be the given mass, that is x grams, divided by the molar mass, which is 106 grams per mole. This will be equal to moles of NaHCO3 1 minus x grams divided by 1 minus x grams divided by the molar mass, which will be 84 grams per mole. Okay, so you can see that we can cancel grams and we'll get the moles in both the cases, and mole inverse will also get cancelled. You will just be getting the value, that is x. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देखिएगा, so this will be 84x, which will be equal to 106 minus 106x, है ना, 106x, right? So 84 plus 106 x will be equal to 106, and we can further write x will be equal to 106 divided by 84 or 106, 190. Okay, to solve for this 106 upon 190, you will get the x. चलिए, please write this till here. इतना लिखिए आप लोग, ठीक है, और फिर ये x कैलकुलेट कीजिए. Very good. All of you got x as 0.55. ठीक है, so mass of Na2CO3 is equal to 0.55 grams. Mass of NaHCO3, लिख लीजिए इसको साथ साथ, NaHCO3, this will be equal to 1 minus 0.55, which will be equal to 0.45 grams. ठीक है, चलिए, yeah, all of you are getting x as 0.58. ठीक है. Okay, now write these two statements. Mass of Na2CO3 is 0.55, mass of NaHCO3 is this much. So number of moles of Na2CO3 will be equal to 0.55 divided by 106, right? And moles of NaHCO3, this will be equal to 0.45 divided by 84. Okay, so you can calculate any one of them. Okay, Salman, fine, not a problem. Calculate any one of them, both of them are equal. Number of moles तो same है, दोनों के equimolar है. So किसी एक को भी calculate कीजिए, and that will be the same number of moles of the other thing will also be present there. Okay, calculate and tell me the number of moles. Okay, I have got one answer. Let's see. Okay. 2 नॉन जीरो देख लीजिए ना. 0.5 आपके पास 5 के बाद 0 आ रहा है क्या? ओहो, मोहम्मद सैफ, can you please turn the mic on? Mohammed Saif.
Yes.
Why have you given me this answer? Calculate कीजिए तो आप. इक्विमोलर है ना, सेम मोल्स होंगे। आप मोल फ्रैक्शन की तरफ क्यों चले जा रहे हैं?
Okay, sir. Sorry.
गॉट इट, इक्विमोलर होगा ना। अब्दुल रहमान, इसको देखिए अब्दुल रहमान, समझ में आई बात?
Yes, sir.
So this will be approximately 0.0052, ठीक है, 0.0052 होगा। This will be also 0.0052 because it is equimolar, same number of moles है, ठीक है। Okay, now let me ask all of you. अब्दुल रहमान, यहाँ तक सब ठीक है? Everything clear, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Khalid, Maimuna? Yes,
Yeah.
Khalid. Okay. Khalid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shravya, is everything clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we have got the number of moles for each of them. Now let us look at the reaction. How we have the reaction between Na2CO3 and HCl and NaHCO3 and HCl. Okay. So let us see. So we have Na2CO3 will react with HCl, and it is going to give you, the product will be, so we have sodium and here we have chlorine, so NaCl plus there will be water, acid base reaction, plus there will be another thing, that is CO2. Okay, since we have 2 sodium, so I will write 2 here, and I should be writing 2 here also because I have to balance the chlorine also, and the hydrogen is also balanced, carbon is also balanced, oxygen is also balanced, you can check it. And if I write NaHCO3 plus HCl, it's going to give me NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. So you can see hydrogen is already balanced, and Na is 1, Cl is 1. Yeah, everything is balanced in this case. Can all of you see these? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, I want Saf. Saf, can you please turn the mic on?
Yes.
Okay. So can you read this first line, first chemical equation? Read this now.
Na2CO3 plus 2 HCl gives 2 NaCl plus H2O plus CO2.
Very good. So what you read was verbatim, like as it is. Literally, you just read whatever was present, but this does not give me insight about what is happening in the reaction. Okay, so we will translate it, है ना? जैसे हम लोग translate करते हैं ना 10% W by W को, mass by mass को, we translate this as 10 grams mixed with 90 gram of the solvent, है ना? So we will translate this chemical equation also. Okay, so please listen very carefully. I will say that one molecule of Na2CO3 reacts with 2 molecules of HCl to give 2 molecules of NaCl, 1 molecule of H2O, and 1 molecule of CO2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you will tell me, if I have 100 molecules of Na2CO3, then how many HCl do I need? How many HCl do we need?
200.
Very good, 200. है ना? अच्छा, if I have, let us suppose 1 into Na, 1 into Na amount of Na2CO3, then I will be needing 2 into Na amount of HCl. Yes or no?
Yes.
सही है?
Yes.
Okay, so this is what we say as the need statement. तो इसके लिए हम लोग need statement क्या लिखेंगे? पहले वाले के लिए देखिए. SAF, okay? SAF, look here. So the need statement for the first one will be 1 mole of Na2CO3 needs 2 moles of HCl. है ना? Now, how many moles of Na2CO3 we have in the mixture? We have 0.0052. So I will write 0.0052 moles of Na2CO3 needs 2 into 0.0052 moles of HCl. Is this clear, sir? Yes or no, sir? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. Similarly, for NaHCO3 क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? NaHCO3 में रेशियो क्या है? 1:1 का है रेशियो, right? So for what 1:1, what I can write? I can write 0.0052 moles of NaHCO3 needs same moles, right? If I have 1 mole, then I will require 1 mole of HCl. I have 0.0052 moles of NaHCO3. I will be requiring 0.0052 moles of HCl. Is this clear? Yes or no? Please tell me, sir. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So total moles required, total moles of HCl required. This will be equal to 2 into 0.0052 plus 0.0052. This will, I can write this as 3 into 0.0052. Okay. So what will be this value? If I have 3 into 0.0052, this will be equal to 0.6 now, 0156 moles. Is that right? Yes or no? Please tell me. यहाँ तक समझ में आया आपको सबको?
Yes, sir.
Please write this down. Tell me when you are done, okay? Okay. Rabia is done. I think most of you will be on the verge of completing this question. ठीक है. Can I move on? Yes or no? Please tell me.
1 minute.
Yes.
अच्छा अच्छा, okay, fine. 1 minute, 1 minute. This question is not done. ठीक है. The question is asking how many ml of HCl is required. ठीक है. So we have just reached the number of moles. Saurabh. Saf, let me know when you are done, okay?
Finished, sir.
Okay. So now the question is asking how many ml. So when they are asking how many ml, that means they are asking the volume that is required, okay? And they have given the concentration here. And a concentration given hai, volume given hai, sorry, concentration given hai. We have calculated the number of moles, we need the volume. Okay, so what is molarity? Molarity, it is equal to the number of moles of solute divided by the volume in liters, right? Volume in liters. So what will be volume in liters? Volume in liters will be equal to NB upon the molarity. So number of moles is equal to 0.0156 divided by molarity is how much? 0.1. This is in terms of moles. This is in terms of moles per liter. So mole and mole will get cancelled, and you will get this answer as 0.156 liters, which will be equal to 156 ml. Okay, so we required 156 ml of HCl. So the answer will be 156 ml of HCl of 0.1 molar HCl is required or needed to completely react with 1 gram equimolar mixture of Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. Okay. So please write this down. Let me know when you are done. Yes, please let me know when you are done. Okay, 2 of you are done. Waiting for others. Keep your hand raised when you are done. Okay. Okay. And my suggestion will be that please redo this question. Once without any help. Okay. Without any help, you have to redo this question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because it's a very long question, even though the answer is long, question was very short. Okay. Next, write this question. It is ये सवाल तो आपका वही हो गया. Wait a second. So this question is similar to the question that we did in the first question that we did now. It is similar to that question. Okay. चलिए try कीजिए इसको. Take the density as 1.20 only. ठीक है, 202 लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Please write this down. Let me know if you need any help. I think you will be requiring help for the molar mass, right? Yes or no? Molar mass of iodine is 127 grams per mole. ठीक है? पोटेशियम का कितना होता है? 39 grams per mole. You have to do this question. हम नहीं करने वाले हैं इसको. It is similar to the question that we did. It is similar to the first question that we did. Okay. So please start.
Okay, sir.
Kavya has got the molarity. Okay. Yes, Kavya, correct. Molarity is correct. Oh, okay. So you guys have got, yes, molality is correct. Let me see for molarity. Molarity is correct. Khalid correct. Maimuna correct. Let me see for Saif. Saif nahi. Molarity you have to try again, Saif. Okay. And for mole fraction, yes, mole fraction is correct for Saif, Khalid, and also for Maimuna. मोलालिटी सही नहीं है मैमूना आपका, मोलालिटी सही नहीं है.
So what should I find again? Molarity.
You have to find, yes, molarity.
The second
1.8 second one. हाँ 1.8 नहीं होगा. Yes, शराबिया करेक्ट. मोल फ्रैक्शन. मैमूना आपका मोलालिटी 80 आ रहा है. हाँ मैमूना
I'll check once again.
नहीं, हाँ उसको चेक कीजिए. हमको लगता है आपने उसको केजी में कन्वर्ट नहीं किया है शायद से.
Yeah, I didn't convert.
हाँ तो आपने ट्रांसलेट तो किया होगा कि 20 grams mixed with 80 grams of water, but you have to convert 80 grams into kg.
Okay.
Yes, Maimuna correct. Shravya correct for molarity. चलिए. So let me write the answers. Molality, this should be equal to 1.5 molal. Molarity should be 1.44 molar, and mole fraction, this should be equal to 0.0263. Okay, so these will be the answers. एनी डिफिकल्टी किसी को? ओहो, कौन आए अभी? आतिफ, हाउ आर यू?
Fine, sir.
फाइन. What happened? Very late, huh?
I forgot to join, sir.
Forgot to join. अच्छा, ओके, ऐसा नहीं कीजिए, ठीक है. Yes, is everyone
Sir, I
done?
should write
Yes or
this
no, please.
question?
हाँ, इसको लिखिए, करिएगा बाद में, है ना? अभी आए आप तो, ठीक है. Everyone has calculated and send the answer in chat, ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
मोलारिटी को एक्सप्लेन करें, ठीक है. Can somebody tell me what will be the number of moles? Number of moles कितना आ रहा है? 0.12. हाँ, moles of Ki. अब्दुल रहमान बताइए, अब्दुल रहमान. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ Ki कितना है अब्दुल रहमान? यस अब्दुल रहमान, हेलो. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ Ki. आपने कुछ कैलकुलेट नहीं करके रखा क्या? Abdul Rahman, can you please tell me number of moles of Ki? If you are calculating, just let me know that you are calculating. I know what is the number of moles. I'm just asking Abdul Rahman, okay? If you know the answer, just you can send in the chat. लेकिन ऐसे बताइए. अच्छा अब्दुल रहमान बताइए, आप नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ Ki नहीं बताइएगा तो हम आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे? हाँ मैमून, आई नो, करेक्ट. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, are you not here? चलिए, I think Abdul Rahman is not here. Seems he got disconnected. Okay. So after that, we have this topic that is normality. तो normality को समझेंगे. What is normality? It is given by the capital letter N, and its formula is the number of gram equivalents divided by the volume of solution in liters. Okay, this is normality. Okay, this is normality. Now this is the new term, number of gram equivalents. So let us see what is the number of gram equivalent. Okay, so number of gram equivalent is equal to number of gram equivalent is equal to the given mass which is divided by equivalent weight. Now we have this new term, equivalent weight. ठीक है, इसको समझते हैं, what is the equivalent weight? What is equivalent weight? So equivalent weight, it is a term, okay, and इसके formula जो है, it will have some formula, but it will depend on what type of species we have. So equivalent weight is the number of parts of a substance by weight is the number of parts. Wait a second. Number of parts by weight of a substance. Okay? By weight of a substance that combines or displaces directly or indirectly 1.008 parts of hydrogen or 8 parts of oxygen or 35.5 parts of क्लोरीन। ठीक है, बाय वेट लिख लीजिए सब लोग, ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बाय वेट write this thing, then I will explain what it means to combine or displace 1.008 parts of hydrogen, 8 parts of oxygen and 35.5 parts of chlorine.
So can you scroll up?
Scroll up, okay. नॉर्मालिटी तो लिख लीजिएगा, टॉपिक है ना। Yeah, is everyone done? Yes or no? Please tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, लिखिए। Okay, Shravya, no problem. You can leave. Yeah, fine, no problem. Okay. Thank you, Shravya. Okay, rest of you guys, please write and raise your hand. Please. Then now all of you, yes or no, please tell me. Done, I think, है ना? Most of you have raised your hand. Okay. Atif, Khalid, and Saif is remaining. Write it fast. Done. चलिए सबका हो गया है ना? Okay. So 1.008 parts of hydrogen, or we have 35.5 parts of NaCl. So what is the meaning of this? Okay, what is the meaning of this? It means that, for example, if I have NaCl, है ना? NaCl. In this NaCl, I can replace this Na with 1 part of hydrogen. Okay, I can replace this Na with 1 part of hydrogen, and still the valency and everything will be satisfied, I can write that HCl. ठीक है, इसका ये मतलब होता है that the equivalent weight will be for NaCl, it will be equal to what? किसी भी चीज का equivalent weight क्या होगा? If I want to write the formula for this, then it will be equal to equivalent weight. This will be equal to whatever the atomic weight is there. मोलर मास हो गया आपका, ठीक है, या फिर मॉलिक्यूलर मास हो गया, डिवाइड बाय द वैलेंसी फैक्टर, divided by the valency factor. Okay, so to calculate the atomic weight for different type of elements or different type of chemical species, we have different formula. So equivalent weight, if you want to calculate for ions, then it will be equal to the formula weight or molecular weight जो भी आपके पास अगर ion है, so whatever ions you have now, so you will calculate whatever mass of the ion is present, so that will be formula weight we write that as. Okay, so अगर हम Na plus की बात करें, so you will write whatever the mass of sodium atom is there, formula weight divided by the valency. ठीक है, तो वैलेंसी Na में क्या होगा, Na पॉजिटिव में 1 होगा, Mg2 पॉजिटिव में वैलेंसी क्या हो जाएगा, 2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, if you have ions you will write it like that. Similarly if you have SO4 2 negative, 2 negative में आपके पास वैलेंसी क्या हो जाएगा, 2 हो जाएगा, तो वैलेंसी will be 2. Now if you have acids, so for acid it will be the molecular weight divided by acidity. What does acidity means? For HCl, how many protons HCl can give? 1. So its acidity will be equal to 1. H2SO4 की बात करेंगे, H2SO4 में how many H plus ions can we get? We can get 2. That means we will be having the acidity will be 2 here. The acidity will be 2 here. Okay. Then we have bases. So for bases we will be having the molecular weight divided by basicity. That means if I have, let us say NaOH, then for this the basicity will be equal to 1. And if I have, let us say MgOH whole twice, for this the basicity will be 2. Okay. Now if you have in a reaction, okay, in a reaction if you have a reducing agent, then for reducing agent it will be equal to the number, the molecular weight, this will be divided by, now we have the reducing agent, so reducing agent will lose electron, so number of electron lost in a reaction where you have reducing agent. अगर हम oxidizing agent की बात करें, oxidizing agent, this will be molecular weight which will be divided by number of electron gain. Is this clear, yes or no? Till here, yes or no? Please tell me. Next we have,
Yes, sir.
salt. Okay, if I have salt, so for salt what we have to do, the molecular weight divided by total charge. Okay, on cation or anion, for example if I have NaCl, then for this the total charge will be what we have here, either +1 or -1, है ना, so it will be 1 only. And if I have MgCl2, then if I take the anion then also it will be 2 negative, and for the cation it will be +2. So total charge magnitude क्या हो जाएगा, charge का 2 हो जाएगा. Okay, so total Q of cation or anion. Is it clear, yes or no? Please tell me.
So what is Q?
Charge. Q is charge. Any problem till here, guys?
No, sir.
No, right? Okay. Can I move on?
Sir, could you show the original formula again?
Atomic weight upon valency factor.
Okay, sir.
Calculate equivalent weight. Calculate equivalent weight of Na2SO4. ठीक है? Calculate the equivalent weight of Na2SO4. So how will we do this? This will be done by the equivalent weight will be equal to the molecular weight divided by total Q on cation or anion. Okay, so for this what we will do, we will dissociate Na2SO4. This will be 2 Na positive plus SO4 2 negative, है ना? So as you can easily see, the charge is what? The charge is 2. And what will be the molecular weight for this Na2SO4? Na2SO4. So it will be 2 into 23 plus sulfur is 32 plus oxygen is 16, right? So 4 into 16 divided by 2. So you will be getting this as 2 है ना, तो 2 अगर इससे कॉमन ले ले तो दिस विल बी 23 प्लस 32 का आधा कितना हो जाएगा 16 प्लस 16 4 जा यानी 16 2 जा 32 हो जाएगा ये, है ना? So if you add this, it will be equal to how much? 32 और 16 और 23. $71 हो रहा है, आई थिंक 71 हो रहा है, देखिए तो इज दिस 71?
Yes.
ओके, ये समझ में आया ना? हाउ इट इज 23 and 16 and 32? यस और नो? नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir.
All of you understood this part, na? How it is 23, this is 16 and this is 32.
Yes, sir. So what's the unit of equivalent weight?
What will be the unit of equivalent weight? You tell me. What we
Gram.
have here? We have here what? The molecular weight. Molecular weight is in terms of
Gram.
grams, right? Then we have, this is the equivalent weight, okay? If I want to find out the number of gram equivalents, so for this the formula is what? Given mass divided by the equivalent weight. Okay, so we will do some questions in which you will be given the given mass, तो फिर उसके बाद आप gram equivalent निकालिएगा and then you will be using that gram equivalent in the normality formula. Okay, so but we will do this in the next class, that is on Tuesday. You will not have any questions on normality in the assignment, but you will be having questions related to how will you go from percentage, mass percentage to molarity and different things. How will you go from molarity to molality, है ना, and molarity to molality? Those things will be given in the assignment. Normality, we will discuss small portions in the next class, and after that we will look what is going to happen if I add gas or solid or liquid into liquids. Okay, I have liquid here and I will see what will happen if I add gas, if I add solid, and if I add another liquid, and what is the change occurring, what is the change occurring inside the solution. We will be looking at that part. Okay, shall we? Can I stop sharing the screen? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Scroll up.
Scroll up. Okay. कहाँ तक बताइएगा? यहाँ?
Sir, a bit up.
A bit up. यहाँ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.